Okay guys, hopping right into it. I have heated my skillet on medium high and I chopped up some steak. This is some steak that I stripped up from some T-bones. I used 3 T-bones. You can use whatever steak that you choose, of course. And I'm just going to season it a bit. So I added some garlic and also some seasoning salt. Just some regular seasoning salt because I am completely out of stuff, your mama. I am completely out of all Cajun seasoning today. Alright, so just going ahead and mix that up and let that bring to a simmer. And while that's doing that, I am going to make the sauce. Okay, so to make the sauce, I am using flour. You can use cornstarch or flour or whatever, but I have 2 tablespoons and then I have a half a cup of water. And I'm going to mix that up with my whisk. And I forgot to mention that this is hot water. I have a tea kettle that I boiled it in and poured in this half a cup. Alright, so I'm adding a teaspoon of ginger. You can use fresh ginger, but this is the ginger from the squeeze bottle that I had. And then I have some garlic. I use 4 cloves because I absolutely love garlic. And then I have 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds oil. And also I have a whole little cup. I forgot how much soy sauce I put in here, but oh no, it was like 3.5 tablespoons to be honest. So 3 tablespoons and a half. Okay, so I also added 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, and then I am just going to dust some pepper in here for a moment. Until I thought about it, I thought I was making some beef pepper steak, so I was going crazy with that pepper. Okay. So I used the whisk to just go ahead and mix it up and set it to the side. Alright, so now that these steaks are starting to cook, I am adding some onion. I absolutely love sweet onions. These are my favorite. And that is what I'm adding here. So I'm going to go ahead and mix them up. And then I am going to add some more seasoning. The seasoning that I am adding in is some chili powder, some paprika, just because it was like right here in my way, in my eyesight. And I'm also going to be adding some onion powder and also some, I don't know, this was some onion something, but it was like little pieces of onion, chopped onions that you buy in a jar. And so in the season that also I went ahead and added that as well. So I'm just going to go ahead and mix it up and just let that cook down some more. I'm going to put a top on it because I want my steak to be tender, no toughness. And you guys, I want to cook this rice-a-roni rice. I'm just going to start the process, and I am not going to bore you with the rest of the process because I absolutely hate cooking rice-a-roni rice, okay? But you put the butter in first, and you put the rice in, and you mix it up and till it all browns, and keep stirring and stirring and stirring. So that's the rice that we're eating. Normally we'll have white rice, but just thought this would be good. Alright, so now I am going to be adding in my broccoli. You can use fresh broccoli. I chose to use this bag of steamed broccoli. I put it in the microwave first for 4 minutes, and then I dumped it in here into the pan of steak, cooked steak. And then I added the sauce that I made, and we're just going to go ahead and mix that up, allow it to come to a semi-boil, a simmer. And then I am going to put the lid on and just let that go ahead and cook down, you guys, for 7 minutes. And then it'll be time to eat. It's all done. Okay, you guys, I am ready to plate this. I put my rice on the bottom and then I put my beef and broccoli on top. How do y'all plate y'all's? Do you like put your rice on the top, on the bottom, on the side? Let me know in the comments, you guys. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.